Hey everyone, welcome back to Coder. Today we are going to tackle 5 fun and beginner-friendly Python projects. If you are just starting out, these projects are perfect for you. They will help you get comfortable with Python concepts, loops, conditional statements, user input and more. So let's grab a code editor and let's dive into Python projects. So our first project is going to be odd or even checker. So this is a very simple project but yet very powerful topic. So using conditional statements will give the conditions here. So first we'll input the user. I will prompt the user to give us the input which number he wants to give. So let's start coding this project. So first I'll input it from user. For example, number is equals to input enter a number. So here I have used input to take the prompt from the user, and I have used int to convert the values into integers. As input always takes the values in string, so we have converted into the integer as we want numerical value. Next we'll give our condition, which will be the logic is here that we want a number to check if it is odd or even. If a number is even, it will always be divided by 2, so it will give us the remainder 0. So let's check using conditions. So I'll give condition here as number modulus function where 2 is equals to 0, then it will print me what it will print me number is even. Next, in else statement I will give here as print number is odd. So I hope you all understood what conditions we have given here. Next I'll input it using both the numbers, negative numbers and positive numbers. So let's run our code. So I'll give 12 here. So number is even. So this is working with positive integers, but let us also check about negative integers. So let's run it again. I'll give as minus 12. Okay. So number is even. So it is working with both the even integers, both the positive integers and negative integers. So this is how we created a simple yet a powerful project of checking a number if it is odd or even. So next we are up to building a simple interest calculator. So this is a great project for working with arithmetic operators, and it is very useful for basic finance calculation. So let's start coding this project. After that we have the formula of simple interest, which is principal into rate into time divided by 100. So this is the formula in mathematics which we will code in Python. So let's input this in code and make a simple interest calculator. So first of all we'll input 3 values, principal, rate and time, from the user. So here I am writing rate is equals to float input enter your principal amount. So here we'll enter principal amount, and I have used float here, not integer. Float is used because we want decimal values also. So rate of interest as R, float input enter you. Here we have your enter your rate of interest. Simply write enter rate of interest. What's happening? I don't know. So simply write this. Then I'll move forward to time, which will also be in float, and write here enter your time in years. Okay, so next we will write the formula of simple interest, which will be SI is equals to P multiply, which we use asterisk to multiply, R T, then divided by 100. So this is the formula of simple interest. For your information, let me write also formula of simple interest. So these we have built the project with the basis of project. So next we'll do it. We'll simply print the simple interest is. So here we will have this. So let's print enter principal amount. Like here I am giving this at 1000. Rate of interest is 5%. Then time in years is 1 year. So simple interest is here. The error I made is I have not given SI, so which value it will give. So simply we'll do it again. 1000, then is 5, then for 1 year. So the simple interest is 50.0. So here this is in decimal value because we have given float here, so it will show us in decimal value. This is how we created a simple interest calculator. So this was very easy to create, and using user input we created this. So our third project would be creating a multiplication table generator, which is a very simple project and basically based on practice of loops. So we'll use for loops here to make this, and user input is must. I always use user input because it's very easy for that, because if we will give a value it will be constant, then we have to change it by our own. So if we want to try the project again and again, so user input is the best for that. So first I'll write num is equals to int input, enter the number to generate it. Okay, so this is how it works. Now I'll give for loop for I in range 1, 11. So I hope you understood why the logic 1:11 is used here. Because of the indexing value, 0 has value 1. Means, let me tell you what I am saying. I am trying to tell you that the first value has the index 0. So if we'll give 1 to 11, it will only print us 10 numbers. Okay, so you got that. So next we'll print. Now we'll print. Simply we have to print. We'll use an alignment here. Num into I. Okay, so we are using this because is equals to num asterisk I. So this is the condition we are giving here /t. This will give us the better look of the table. So let's print the table of 67. Let's take a smaller value first. So let's take 5. So 5 is to 1, 5 is to 5, 5 is to 2 is to 10. How the table is printed. So you see. So this is the way of writing. We are writing here, right? Let's print a bigger table now for 68. So you see. So it's easy to know the table of any number using this generator. It's difficult to remember all the tables, right? So we can simply write the number here, which table we want, and it will generate it for us. So this is how this multiplication table generator works. So now let's create something more interesting than these 3 topics, which is a palindrome checker. So this topic I have already shared in a short video, but this is a very interesting project that I wanted to let you know in detail, so I am sharing it here also. So what is a palindrome? First of all, many of you would not know what is a palindrome. So first, palindrome is a word, meaning that a word or number is same as backwards or forwards. Like if I write madam, if I read it from forward, it is madam. If I read it from backward, it is madam. And a palindrome number is 1 to 1, 131. If you will read it from forward, it is same, and from backward, it is same. So in short, the number or a word which is equals to its reverse is in a palindrome. So let's start coding out these projects. This is very interesting. I am telling you. A fun project this is. Word, but I am creating here a word palindrome now. Word palindrome checker. If you want to check for numbers, so you would have to input integer values, but here I am inputting string values. Okay, so input, enter the number, enter the word. Okay, so interesting project. I love this project actually. Next, so giving conditions. Favorites of every coder is if and else statements. So if word is equals to word, reverse of word, and this is, what is this? This is reverse. Colon 1 is the reverse of the word which is used in string manipulation. Got it? Will print word is in palindrome. Next, else statement, very easy. Simply we have to write print word is not in palindrome. Right? So I hope you got what I have written here. Simply run this project and enter the word. So word is madam. So word is in palindrome. So this is how we created a palindrome. So our final project comes here, which is a temperature converter, and this converter will convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius or Celsius to Fahrenheit. So let's start creating it. First we'll give user input. So temperature, float, enter your temperature, enter the temperature. I'm writing short forms there. You can also write, because this is for us only to write now. The temperature. Then next we'll ask for the unit, because we must know which unit is this now, because then only we will give conditions. So input is the unit in F or C. F or C means Fahrenheit or Celsius. First condition would be if unit is equals to F. If would and we will add dot upper also because we are using dot upper because we are using capital here because Fahrenheit and Celsius are always written in capital letters. Print temperature, comma, then F is, then comma. Now mathematical operation, minus 32 into 5 by 3. 5 by 3. So this is the mathematician here. Then comma C will give na. Okay. Elif unit is equals to C. If it is C, will print temperature, then C is comma temperature into 9 by 5. Okay, into 9 by 5 plus 32. Here we plus 32 comma Fahrenheit and the brackets. So here this is an else statement. B print invalid unit. Please enter F or C. Okay, so this would be a wait, but error it is giving me, I don't know. Let's just scroll down. Okay, so I have made a mistake. It is like I have not given input now, so that's why it's showing me this. It's not a big error, no issues. So let's fix this. So it's fixed now. 24 unit will first write F. So this is converted into this. 24 degree Fahrenheit is converted to minus 13.3334 Celsius. And if you want to check it for 45 C, so this is converted into Fahrenheit. So this is how our temperature calculator converter works. And that's a wrap for our 5 beginner friendly Python projects. We have covered a range of topics from conditional statements to loop and input validation. These projects are perfect to enhance your Python skills. I hope you enjoyed coding with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment with your favorite project. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.